The main reason that I chose SLU is that when I was researching my master program in information systems, SLU just came up as like one of the top ranked universities nationwide in the fields like business, healthcare, engineering, and especially STEM. There are also other upsides when you study at SLU, like the job opportunity, because there is a dedicated career services center. They will help you with any job-related concerns or questions that you may have. For example, like on-campus job and OPT, CPT internships, etc. The community here is amazing. Great diversity. You meet a lot of people coming from around the world with different cultures. There are also a lot of clubs and associations that they often host events throughout the year that you can participate in, make friends, have fun, and some of them have free food as well. Besides the time in my class, I often hang out with my friends on campus, and we also join events. We also play sport together, like basketball, squash, badminton. We have amazing library here. Pius Library is big, and I really like the inside of it. It's very modern and spacious, and it's definitely a good place to visit whenever I have assignments or exams coming up. Take your studies serious, and you'll be very likely to achieve the grades that you want. Stay active, stay healthy, really, so that your mind and your body can be strong, because trust me, you'll be thankful for that. Yeah, you can make friends. Try to join as many events as you can throughout the year. Explore the city. St. Louis has a lot of good places for you to visit, like my personal favorite, Forest Park and City Museum. There are also a lot of good restaurants for you and your friend to try out at the weekend.